I mean, it's kind of obviously like a very hard question to answer with any real insight. And I would describe it in two ways. I'd say one is you get incremental change, and then you get revolutionary step change. I mean, in terms of IP technology as it relates to security, like video, we're seeing incremental improvements all the time in the quality of the imagery that it's producing and the number of pixels, and also improvements in the software to analyze that. So that's constantly going on. In terms of evolutionary step change, it's much harder to see. But I mean, undoubtedly, for me, the big change, if we take IP as a whole, is the Internet of Things, of course. And I don't think that's particularly revolutionary for people, but we're still very early in that market. And I don't know yet if we've really seen the fundamental changes that it's going to bring about. I mean, if I was like an integrator, installer of security like video, I would be looking to integrate it with new technology like, not new technology, but like other technology areas like access control, like voice evacuation systems. And also I would be looking to work more closely with IT companies from the business enterprise as well. Because I think as we see this Internet of Things phenomena, as we see more sensors come onto the network, it's going to be important that we really understand the software as it relates to the business enterprise and how video and other sensor types can really provide really useful information. Well, it's my first time in Russia, so that's new. I think what I've seen here is really interesting, is sort of like the mix of manufacturers, and I've met some interesting companies, and also some of the IT companies that I wasn't expecting to be here. So that's been interesting. Yeah, just really to get a feel for what's happening in Russia. I think there are companies here that I've heard about, but I haven't really seen in the home market. So it's sort of interesting to see, how their interpretation of what's happening in Russia, because you don't really understand until you come here and find out.